Balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Hawaiian, Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Pizzapamore for sending us 9 boxes. Imagine, let's do the math. If I were to taste 1 slice per box, makaka 1 box and 1 slice ako. That's gonna be a lot. So what I'm gonna do is, randomly, let's just check them out and then kung medyo feel ko yung flavor, titikman ko yun. So for the first box, ito yung Supreme. Wow! Oh wow, so cheesy. Overload yung mga ingredients natin dito. You have meat, some vegetables as well, and then sobrang overload din guys dito is yung kanilang cheese. Yum! So next to check out is the Hawaiian. Look at this. Whoa! Grabe naman, ang daming cheese nito. And since I like pineapple, might as well try na rin natin dito. So super cheesy. Naman ha. Check natin yung hot sauce. Just like that. So for the next box, this is what they call the pepperoni. How it looks like inside. Wow! Since wife ko gusto yung pepperoni, let me just skip this one so my wife can have a whole box of pepperoni. This is the all meat. How it looks like. Look at that! Let me put hot sauce. Cheers! Yan. 3 boxes so far na tikman natin. And I gotta say, all of the boxes, super loads of cheese. Generous, hindi tinipid yung cheese. For the 5th box, this is what they call all cheese. For those people who want to skip meat just for the love and flavor of cheese, this is what you will order for. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, so far, I've been loving yung mga overload cheese nila dito. And I'm gonna skip this one since alam naman natin yung susunod is super cheesy pa rin. This is the next one, beef and mushroom. Favorite ko yung mushroom guys. So let me put another batch of, hot sauce dito. Sobrang cheesy guys. Now for the ingredients, so meron tayong bell pepper, cheese of course, mushroom, and the ground beef. 3 more boxes, ham and cheese. Actually for me, ham and cheese is like Hawaiian pizza na wala yung pineapple. So let me just skip this one. So this is shrimp and tomatoes. If it's seafood, it has a special place. Good for this one. And then for the last one is all veggies. Ang ganda pa rin. Wow! Ang ganda pa rin nito. It really looks delicious, guys. But I'm gonna skip this one and go ahead with the shrimp and tomatoes. Look at this. Let me open it. This is the hot sauce. Wow! Pizzapamore, let me commend you. Napakasarap po ng lasa. All of the boxes that I've tried, sobrang generous sa cheese. What I also like is yung quality ng dough natin. Although the pizza has been sitting for a while kasi nag-picture pa kami and everything. Kumbaga sa pasta, is still al dente. Final bite. So, there you have it guys. Again, we were able to taste siguro mga 80% of the boxes, but overall, what I really like about is napaka-generous yung cheese nila and the dough, it stayed consistent. If you would like to taste this one, so make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be including. Thanks so much, Pizzapamore! And guys, thank you so much for watching Hawaiian Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out! Bye-bye!